Welcome back with another snow squall warning. This is for Twin Falls. Well, near Twin Falls. There's also Kimberly, Murtaugh, Hazleton, Hollister, and Rogerson, Idaho. There's also parts of, I want to say, Interstate 84, Highway 30, well, Highways 30, 25, and a couple others. We got 11,555 people. But yeah, US 93. There's that as well. But yeah, just take shelter accordingly. Don't be on the road because you got whiteout conditions. You're not gonna see where you're going. All you're gonna see is snow. You're not gonna see in front of your windshields at spots. I could not get words out. But yeah, just stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.